Hello friends, welcome to your channel Crazy Reaction. I am Crazy King and today we are going to talk about Nevada Titan V, the gold-clad GPU. But before that, if you are new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, then please consider subscribing. Check out the sexy picture of this gorgeous gold-clad GPU and then we will move on to the numbers. Before you do that though, maybe grab a couple of tissues and hide your credit card. The massive 21.1 billion transistor GV100 GPU power the Titan V has a base clock of 1200 MHz and a boost clock of 1455 MHz. The GPU is manufactured at 12 nm which allow Nevada to pack in huge number of transistors. The GV100 has nearly double the number of transistors as the 16 nm GP102. At its default clock, the Titan V offers a peak texture fill rate of 384 gigatexts per second, which is only slightly higher than a Titan XP. The 12 GB of HBM2 memory on board the GV100 is linked to the GPU via 3072-bit interface and offer up to 652.8 gigabytes per second of peak bandwidth, which is about 100 gigabytes per second more than our Titan XP. Other features of GV100 include 5120 single precision quad core, 2560 double precision FP64 cores, and 640 tensor cores, which can offer massive performance improvement in deep learning workload to tone up to 110 T-flops. The core are arranged in 6 GPCS with 80 SMS. There are also 320 textures unit on the board and 96 ROPs, which is right in line with the GP102. The Titan V is outfitted with a die-cast aluminum body which is machine finished and heat treated for additional strength and rigidity. The top edge of the card features an embossed gold Titan logo and the thermal solution is similar to the Titan XP. There is a relatively large wiper chamber on board, topped with an array of copper heatsink fins and a radial fan that draw in air from inside the chassis and vent it out through the back. At the rear of the card, a small second heat sink help wick heat away from the VRM. The Titan V features 16-phase digital power array of its GPU and memory, and the card has 250-watt TDP, which is typical of Nevada high-end Titans. Like the Titan XP, the Titan V requires two supplement power connection, one 6-pin and one 8-pin. The output on the Titan V are just like the last few high-end offering from Nevada and consist of a Tyro, a full-size DisplayPort, and an HDMI 2.0B output. The DisplayPorts enable support for 4K display at 120 Hz, 5K display at 60 Hz, and 8K display at 60 Hz using two cables and multiple stream transport. Up to 4 display outposts can be used simultaneously for multi-monitor VR setups and the like. Nevada V is an absolute beast. The Titan V significantly outpaced every other graphic cards in variety of games with the highest image quality setting. Sometimes its leads were relatively small, but the Titan V is the fastest gaming GPU nonetheless. In GPU compute workload, the Titan V is much more dominant. Finally, when it comes to Athenium mining, Nevada Titan V is the fastest GPU on the planet currently. Now these were the specs and some major key points that I wanted you to know. Now let's talk about the price tag. It's around $3,000, but it is the best GPU in this time. So $3,000 for the something best is not an issue. If you are looking for something best, then I suggest Nevada Titan V is for you. Now if you like the video, please comment below and don't forget to subscribe the channel and push the bell notification. Be safe. and be happy.